So you have decided your photo needs a little tweak. Maybe you want to change its hue, but you don't want to go through the pain of photo editing in a clunky software. Well, I understand, and I've got just the solution for you. Today, I'll show you how you can instantly and easily change your photo's hue with Pixelied. Pixelied is an online design tool that has the answers to all your design needs. So to get to our editor, type in pixelied.com/upload, and here we are. Now you can either click on this button and select an image from your storage, or you can just drag and drop like this. Okay, so we have our image down to the Pixelied's editor. Now to adjust its hue, just select it and click on this button which says image effects and filters, and under the basic adjustments tab you would see hue. Now to adjust it, all you have to do is to adjust the slider and the hue will change accordingly. Okay, so that's it for hue. But you will also notice that we have a bunch of more options that will give you all the features you need to make this image a better aesthetic into your graphic. So for example, I could change its brightness, I could change the contrast, I could change the saturation, and all of which with the same ease. All I have to do is to adjust the slider. Similarly, we also have a bunch of more advanced effects like the blur effect. We could blur this image with this filter, or we could add a noise to this image, or we could similarly pixelate this image. So feel free to play around these with yourself. For now, let's see how to add a text to this image. So to add a text to this image, all you have to do is to go on this text tab and click on this button which says add headline, or you could choose a headline, or you could choose a body text. It just differs in the text size. Okay, so I'll add a headline which would say flowers. Okay, so the black color isn't really visible clearly, so I'll just select it and click on this button, and I can change its color from here. So I can either select a color from here, or I can either add a hex code here. So I'll just select a green color and then I'll drag it all the way to the top. Okay, now all that is left for us to do is to download this image. So just click on the download button, choose a format. Let's select a PNG format, click on this download button again, and our image has downloaded. So this is how it looks. Alright, so we saw how easy it is to upload our image to the Pixelied editor and then edit almost everything there is to edit about the image. And that's the thing about Pixelied. You can do almost everything with the same ease. So go ahead to pixelied.com/upload, upload your images and make some aesthetic changes to them. Also, stick to this channel because Pixelied has a lot for you in store.